Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a menu in C++. So in this tutorial I'm going to make a menu for pizza shop. Let's say we have a pizza shop. In pizza shop we have three types of pizzas like BBQ, chicken fajita, chicken tikka. If you want to add more, then you can add more. So these are the types of pizza. Then we have to think about what data we need after the types of pizzas. So we have to check either user want to purchase small, medium or large. So this data we need to make a menu for pizza shop. So we have to design a menu like that. If user will want to purchase BBQ, then he will select one. Then the program will show either you want to purchase small pizza, medium pizza or large pizza. So let's start. Here I have just printed three types like BBQ, chicken fajita, chicken tikka. So and here I have declared a variable ch, so user can enter their choice, and in switch case statement I will do all the work. So if user will select one, so it will run the first choice. So then again cout subtype, it will cout subtype either user want to purchase small BBQ, medium BBQ or large BBQ. So after that user will select again. If user want to purchase small, then it will add the price into total amount of this pizza. The total amount of firstly I have declared total amount equal to 0. So if user purchase one pizza, then the price is added to total amount. Then at the end it will show the total amount of pizza. So user enter first, then it will add 30 to the total amount, and at second if user want to purchase medium, then it will add 50 and cout and display it. So at last the user will add 100. The same for other two pizza. So at the end I will call the menu function, because I did all this work in the menu function. So I just call this menu function over here, menu, then see out the total price of pizza. So let's run this program. So I want to purchase BBQ, so let's say 2. So the price of medium BBQ is 50. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.